Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw CatNap from Smiling Critters. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. And I'm going to try to slant it towards this side a little bit more. So let's go up, nice and high. And bring it down. And connect. So just notice it's slightly slanted in. So same thing on the other side. So right next to it, about right here, and we're going to draw the same thing. Now it's going to slant this way. But if you're not comfortable drawing this at a slant, the oval at a slant, you can definitely just draw it straight up and down. I think it works just as well. Okay, there. So now we have two big ovals in. Let's come inside and we're going to draw another oval, but this time it's just going to be straight up and down. So right in the center, and same thing here. There, and then let's come back in here and I'm going to shade this all in. So there's going to be a lot of shading for this CatNap. It's supposed to be very dark and kind of creepy, right? But cute at the same time. Okay, and then same thing over here. I'm just going to shade this all in. Just so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, we're going to come in between the eyes and draw a nose. So it's kind of like a little triangle. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve, and then we're going to connect it with a wide V towards the center and shade this in as well. Then from there, we need to draw that big grin, right, that all these smiling critters have. So let's come from right here in the center, and we're going to curve under the eye. I'm just going to curve up right under the eye. So same thing here. Curve right up under the eye. Then from there, let's make this nice and wide. So say about right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a big curve right here to cap it off. So same thing here. So same thing now that we have even. Go ahead and draw a big curve to cap it off. And then we're going to come about right here and right here. And then we're going to just go ahead and connect it. Big curve towards the bottom. Nice big grin. So we're going to bring it towards the center. To about right here, and then we can go draw this side as well. So just play around with it. Maybe it's easier for you to go this way or this way. And definitely turn your paper or your body if you need to. Okay, so just huge grin, just like the Cheshire cat almost, right? Then from there, we need to draw a tongue. So I'm going to find my center, come straight down to about right here. I'll give myself a point. And I'm just going to draw two curves and another one. And then I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in. So bear with me here as I fill this in. Hopefully my Sharpie will not die out on me. Okay, finally all done. Then from there, let's go ahead. We need to start to frame the face. So I'm going to come around, say about right here where this curve is, and I'm going to come right on top of it, about here, and give myself a point, and I'm going to draw around it and come out, and about right here, I'm just going to zigzag a little bit for the fur. One, so just two of them, and then bring it down. So same thing over here, about right here, right over that curve. And once again, round it off and zigzag and bring it in. So we're just going to follow our mouth now. And let's find my center. So about right here, and I'll say about right here. Give myself a point. And basically, I'm just going to follow the curve I made for the mouth. So it's all up to you. You can bring this lower and make the mouth even wider, lower. It's all up to you. So it doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but whatever you draw, just follow all the way through. Right here with the curve at the bottom. Okay, so now that I have that in, let's see here. Let's go to the top. So I'm going to come back right about here. Give myself a point here and here, and we're going to draw a curve going up. So it's going to go close to the eye. So this is going to be the top of the head, and let's see here. Let's go up a little bit higher to about right there, and then we're going to come in. And as we come in towards the center, we're going to dip in a little bit, and then come right back up. Just very subtle, and then bring it down, just like the other side. There. So we have it all complete, right? The head. Then from there, let's draw the ears. So I'm going to come about right here in this space, and we're going to draw a curve going up to about right there, round off the tip, and bring it down. And then draw the inside, so about right here. So this part's a little bit wider, and we're just going to draw the same shape as this and bring it down. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And I'm just going to drag this point across, just so it's approximately the same height. From there, touch my point, and I'm going to bring it down to about right here, just like the other side. And nice big curve. There, and then once again, just like the other side, we're going to come about right here and in. There. And then I almost forgot we need to draw the brow. So let's come about right here, and we're just going to draw a curve coming down. And so same thing here. Curve, and then just bring it down. There, finally done with the head. Okay, so then now the body, which is slightly simpler. So we're going to bring it right into the center. So say about here and here. And kind of give it like this little neck, and then come in and then out. There, and then we're going to round this, kind of like drawing this big oval body. Thank goodness the body is nice and simple, and then we're just going to round it off. Big curve, and same thing here. And connect. And there. And then from there, let's see here, we need to draw the legs. So let's see here, this is about our center, so we're going to come out on both sides, and let's go ahead and draw the legs. So let's come right here, come down, and let's work on this side first. Let's come up about right here, and we're going to curve for these big feet. So let's curve down and in right there, and bring this in a little bit more, and then we're going to curve and connect, and then we're going to add two curves right here, and And a little detail, a little curve right here to break it up. So same thing on the other side, right there. And just like the other side, curve. And down. And in. There. And then once again, same thing. Curve and then 2 curves for the feet. And then now we can go ahead and draw the hands. So let's see here. Let's come about right here. Just kind of imagine this is just nice and smooth. So about right here, we're going to start and bring it out. And then about right here, I'm going to come down with a thumb. So one big curve. And then we can connect this finger and in. And then we're going to draw another finger, indication of another finger towards the back, right there. And cut it off about right here. So same thing on the other side, just nice and smooth, just like the other side. And once again, about right here, we're going to draw a thumb. And then the fingers. So just slightly curve it up and then bring it in. And once again, little back finger. Right there, and then cut it off. There. Okay, and then we need to draw, let's see here, the necklace. So we're gonna come right, well actually, you know, let's draw the moon shape first. So it's kind of like drawing a C. So let's see, it's a bit easier for me to draw it this way. I'm gonna draw a curve, bring it down, and curve around, and connect everything. Draw our moon in a crescent. There, and then we can connect it. There. And then of course we need to draw the really long tail. So if let's see here, I figure we could make it a little bit easier, and let's start from here. So I'm going to, let's say, put it right here, and then we're just going to curve around. So going up, imagining it coming about right here, and oops, we're going to curve it around, bring it down to say about right here. We have some space, and then we're going to curve it up around the hands, and then towards the end make it a little bit thicker, and then just bring it in. So the original has the tail going all around the feet, and so I think that's just a little too complicated. So hopefully you like this one, where we can just put it behind and get it out of the way. So see, we're about here, just thicken everything up. Just follow whatever you drew. There, so hopefully that makes sense. Just curve it around. And that is pretty much it, except I'm gonna sneak in a little heart right. Let's just put it right here. To make this my Draw So Cute CatNap from Smiling Critters and Poppy Playtime. I really hope you love how this cat turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.